What's going on, guys? It's Holland back from Coca. It just wouldn't be me without it. This week we're coming with something super exciting. One of my favorite animals. It's of no request but my own. We're making an octopus, and I'm super excited. Come with me on the journey. Come with me on my journey. And of course, I wouldn't be able to do this video if I didn't have the lovely help of my delicious Simon baked cookies. Look at the size of these things. Look at the size of these things. I think my next drawing and painting might be a cookie from Simon Baking with Simon. That's amazing. Thank you, Simon. Delicious. Let's do this thing.
So as always, we're starting with a rough drawing, and this is going to be our base for where we're going to lay down our paint. We're going to go with a traditional red, but from that I'd like to be able to pull some more pink, some more lighter reds, maybe some oranges. A little bit of a gamble, but we'll see. So now that Booch has decided that the sketch is done, we're going to move on to paint. I've taken deep red and Tuscan red, and I've mixed white and yellow into that. And these are going to be our base colors. We're going to start off with that red and yellow, and we're going to spread that all over the body. And this right here, ladies and gents, is the beginning of my mistake. I should have just continued with my base color and not have added in the deeper red, and you're going to find out why later on. So as I was painting this, I didn't feel that his head was bulbous enough, so I added in with a lighter pink more to the side of his head, and then you're going to see me here with a thicker brush add in some darker red and dab it. This dabbing technique that I do allows me to blend all the paint together and really adds a nice fade. I was hoping to get some texture with this painting, so you're going to see me take that deep red, and with the side of a square brush, I'm going to just dab all over the painting, and that's going to give me some nice texture. And here I make another big mistake, but I fix it off camera, so we're not going to talk about that. So here I thought it was a good idea to add in some darker colors around the eyes to show that it's a lower part of his body. So kind of like his head is closer towards the light and the lower of his body is closer to the ground. So for my final fail, I think that I made the bridge between his head sack and his tentacles too thick, and it was just making it look very unreal. So I decided to white over that and redo his eyes and that bridge again. So now that this was aesthetically looking how I wanted it to, I went in and added that pink where the light would just touch his eyes, and I darkened it up around the bridge between his head sack and his tentacles. And I think that really made him pop out of the painting. And now we get to move on to my favorite part, which is sharpieing. We're not doing the traditional Cocafea eyes, we're going with something a little different, but I still think that it has that Cocafea feel to it. And all the tentacles, you're going to see me use a white Sharpie paint marker. And it is amazing for getting in all those tight little spots.
So now that I'm done with my white Sharpie marker, that's it for this video. You can see my cat, can't you? So now that I'm done with my white Sharpie marker, that's it for this video. I have to go in and white everything out, but you can check out the final copy on our Instagram. It'll be linked in our bio as well as at the end of this video. We're super excited with how this came out. This is just an example of all the many things that we're going to create on this channel. There was no request for this, but next week we have something very exciting coming. On Friday, October 30th, season 2 of Mandalorian is coming out. We're super excited. We're doing 3 custom pieces. It will be released on YouTube on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. They're for Bonafab Custom. So get excited, be expecting these pieces on those days that I said at a time unknown to all of us. And we're super excited. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.